let's see what's in here.
Oh boy, we gotta put frosting. That's what we get for getting a Wilton one. You gotta put the frosting in here. It doesn't just come like this pre-made ones.
But I tell you what.
What is this for? This thing on this box, it says some bull stuff. It said you will also need granulated sugar and cornstarch. But it doesn't give you any directions on what you need cornstarch.
Well, I tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and make a house real quick.
Oh my goodness.
Bam!
Never mind. This cake is, this set is the best set. I take that back. This Wilton set is pre-made.
By no means is that intentional either. I grabbed it because it was Wilton. I didn't even think that this would be a plus, but
wow.
For our purposes, this is great.
This is so awesome.
Okay, so we have to...
Oh my gosh, but it's not gingerbread, it's like chocolate.
Ooh, it smells like a chocolate graham.
It smells like or is it like a chocolate vanilla wafer?
I mean, possibly. To me, it smells like a chocolate graham.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's cool.
For icing
But
preparation.
all of the candies are red and white, which is kind of boring. But, and 2 cookies. Ooh.
You know what? There are directions.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it smells like a delicious chocolate graham cracker.
It reminds me of something else though, like, these directions say that you need a rolling pin. And I'm like, what in the world do you need a rolling pin for? I'm like, does it have fondant in it or something? Parchment paper, small angled spatula or butter knife, scissors or paring knife, and a plastic ruler. But they already put the house together, so what do you need all of that stuff for?
I cannot figure that out. It looks
Go
like...
bag with icing, but... So we could just use this, right?
Possibly.
Okay.
You're gonna tell Daddy how to do it?
Will
I
you
would
grab the
appreciate that.
scissors?
I will.
For best consistency, knead pouch before using or place a bowl of warm water for 1 minute. To apply icing, cut a 1/4 inch opening at corner of toss and gently squeeze. We're just gonna do it this way. What do you think, Blair? It's already together.
I don't know, baby. She's reading the instructions to what I said. That's very useful information. I appreciate your help.
Okay, Blair. Let's see. See, the other ones have like little pre-cuts. They show you where the windows and stuff are.
Okay, so this one is...
This one you have to like free.
So that's probably what
Freestyle.
the rolling pin was for, is you just put a whole bunch of icing on there and then just roll it up and down and make it flat like that.
And put cornstarch on it so it doesn't stick.
I guess so.
Yeah. Mmm, you gonna eat that cookie? Are you gonna eat that cookie? Okay. I did not put this in warm water, and I did not need it. Oh boy. Spatula?
Spatula?
Spatula. Oh wow. This is super thick. This is a huge fail.
I'm gonna look at these real quick before I find out what 4 types of candies. Doesn't say.
Doesn't say what?
What? Well, see, these are the red gumdrops, and I hope that they're cherry.
And not cinnamon?
Not
so they probably
cinnamon.
are cinnamon because it's Christmas time. Why? Because it'll burn her?
Yeah, but she probably won't mess with them anyway. She's not a fan of gummies. You just want to dump some of these candies out here on the tray?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Okay, Blair, watch this. Put it on the house. Good job!
Nice.
Let's turn it where we can see. Good job! Good job! You're doing it all by yourself. Mama's just helping you push them in after you get them up there. Good job, baby.
Wow.
You're doing such a great job. Mommy's just pushing them in for you.
Alright. Now you can do some of the buttons. Ooh.
Mommy's very impressed how well you're doing this. You want to do the other side? Oh, good job.
I did 2 at one time. That was great.
Let's do the other side before you run out of patience. Say more gumdrops, please, Daddy.
More gumdrops. Here they come. All right.
Good job. Oh, oh. Put it on the house. Decorating the house. That's the roof. Good job.
All right. Try to keep going. Yeah. Here comes that 2 at a time.
Oh, good
Oh,
job.
Right in the left hand. Man, you're just getting it. Now you got
Never
gumdrops.
saw it in the red house. That was all. Look, even the one on the box has got bright colors on it. You see that?
Yeah.
The cartoon one that they have up there?
But the actual one's only red and...
The one made with the supplies from here. Ooh, you gathering up those gumdrops? You want to put one of them on here? Oh, we want to do the cookies. Okay. Let's do the cookies. You want Mama to put some icing on the cookie? Let's put some icing on the cookie and Daddy will get some different candy.
Okay.
Mama to spread the frosting. Cookie, you can eat it. Mmm, is that cookie good? Ooh, that was a big
You
bite.
got 2 big bites.
Oh,
my
goodness.
goodness. That cookie is yummy, huh? You give Mama some of that cookie, she'll put some icing on it for you.
She's gonna eat that one. Mommy's gonna try to put a, did not put this into the pointy bag, so. We're just gonna make a blob here, and that's gonna be a door. You give me some mints.
I will.
I'm gonna decorate the cookie with these. Choke on the cookie. Do you want to put this mint? I'm gonna decorate the cookie first. Here, do you want to put this mint on the door? Okay, you want to put it on the house, on the roof? We'll do that. All right, mint on the roof.
Want me to dump these out too? A lot of them. Oh, Blair wants them. All right, you gonna dump them out? Oh, goodness.
Yay!
Yay.
Is that fun?
Blair, you wanna help Daddy put these on the door? Are you taking them off the candy cane now? Taking the candy canes off the candy cane? You don't want those candy canes on your candy cane?
She's ready to eat that cookie. What do you think about that frosting? You got chocolate cookie all on your mouth. You got chocolate cookie on your mouth.
She's looking at that like, my cookie got something on it. I don't know how I feel about that.
You decorated it. You were decorating it. She pulled off the decoration. She stuck on it.
She wanted to eat it, and now she doesn't know how to get the frosting off of it. I think that's what she's doing, is she's running her finger up it, trying to get the frosting off. Oh, man. Look at Mama. Go, Mama, go.
This gingerbread house is jacked up. Blair's work is really good. Mommy's work is not so good, huh?
Well, Daddy's just sticking candy canes in the top.
Mommy should have melted the icing and put it in a bag with a tip on it, but...
Which one was last year's?
The sleigh?
I thought it was 2 years ago. Or no, we did a...
We did... It had rain... Yeah, we did a sleigh last year with the reindeer leading it. Wasn't that a sleigh? And the year before that, we did the whole little village, right?
Yeah. It's been a while since we had a house. We had that Halloween house.
Yeah, because now they're trying to get so extra on Halloween that you have to decorate a gingerbread house for Halloween.
Yeah.
We should have put our foot down there. You brought that home.
Yeah, it was cool.
It was cool, baby.
No, I think it should have a... Like it should come with something that says, your house will not look like this. Right down at the bottom of the fine print.
Keep going, you're doing good
Keep
work.
going, yeah.
Blair's just trying to get the icing off of her cookie.
No, she's trying to get off her fingers.
Brexley, you wanted to be a part of this? Mommy's gonna go get you.
You tearing up that door? She's tearing up your door now.
That's okay.
She said, I don't like any of this frosting. All these little white candy canes are stuck together. You coming to add some drool to this?
See, I want to see what's going on. Oh, goodness. Blair, you remodeling the roof?
Hey. What you think, Rex?
That was Blair's like, we're done with this red frosting and putting a lid on it.
You got something to say about that, huh, Rex?
Well, what do we think?
This is the best gingerbread house ever, made out of chocolate.
Woo! You got a little spit up. You got a little spit up.
Boy, I promise it's not mashed potatoes.
Oh, that thing said that the frosting's supposed to be like peppermint flavored. I just realized I smell like a lot of peppermint.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
it is. You smell like a peppermint patty. All right, let's show our beautiful, this is the first side of the roof, which was really, really good job. Now we're remodeling it and kind of, she decided to go a different route. She's now taking off the decorations.
Not a fan of the icing, but you know.
Ooh, now we're remodeling the other side too. So on that note, we're gonna go ahead and end it here, guys. Thank you for watching and decorating the gingerbread house with us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Bye, guys.
Oh, Brexley.
Did she do that on camera?
Oh yeah, it was our